Okay, so we're exactly 3 weeks into the egg being put in the incubator. Last time we put in 28 eggs, we only ended up with 5. This time we've got, I think, 22 eggs or so, and we'll see if we get better luck. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are. It looks like we got one little chick hatch. I'll uncover this and take a look. See. Oh yeah, she just hatched. Just came out of the shell. Checked on her a little while ago, and she had a little hole, and she's bred free. So that's what it looks like, fresh out of the egg. This has been overnight. He's been in there, or she's been in there, and we're going to take her out of the incubator. She's ready. Looks like she's doing pretty good. So we'll go ahead and remove her. Over here. And there she is, first one round 2. And you can see these guys over here in this other container here. They're going quite a bit bigger. That's just been about 4 weeks since they were born. If you don't let them get big enough, the other chickens kind of dominate. They will anyway. They'll peck at them and rough them up a bit. So we want them to be a little stronger, a little bigger before we throw them out into the wild. So anyway, so got those 5, and then we got one here. Penny's taking a look. Okay, here we are. Penny's checking on the baby chickens. She knows that new lives are in her life. I hear some action happening over here in the incubator. Yeah, there we go. Got one right there. Got another one hatching here. So this one hatched today. There's the one from earlier. Hasn't made as much progress, but he's still moving. So maybe by tonight that one will be hatched. And pretty exciting, huh, Penny?